Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best pastry brushes. So let's get started. Number 7. Consevisen Silicone Basting Brush. These very well regarded, very affordable brushes come in sets of 2 to 5 of various sizes. The design is seamless to avoid catching food or sauces, and has a core of stainless steel to provide strength. The brushes can handle temperatures up to 446 degrees, are made from BPA-free silicone, and are dishwasher safe. With any of these sets, you'll be able to grill with a variety of different sauces or bastes all at the same time, making any meal a feast. Number 6. Le Creuset Silicone Craft Series. The shape of this great-looking silicone brush from Le Creuset makes it suitable for many uses, as its crown-shaped edge and conical bristles work well on both meats and pastries. Made from premium silicone, it's stain-resistant, non-abrasive, and resistant to odor and flavor absorption. The ergonomic wooden handle adds a pleasant feel to using this brush, and the head is removable so it can be put in the dishwasher. It's also available in a variety of colors. Number 5. Norpro Silicone Barbecue Brush. This brush comes in different sizes for different tasks, but the basic design is the same, a high-grade silicone brush on a sleek, stainless steel 12-inch handle. The look is high-tech, and the black silicone won't melt, shed, fray, stain, lose shape, or retain odor. These brushes have a really well-balanced feel. The Norpro company started, and is still headquartered in the state of Washington. Their goal is to provide the highest caliber kitchenware with an eye on innovation. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Large Silicone. OXO has done everything right with this brush. It's ergonomic with a soft grip and an angled extended length handle for barbecue use. The brush has circled inner and tapered outer bristles that both hold liquids and gently distribute them over meats, vegetables, or pastries. It's easy to clean, odor-resistant, and can handle temperatures up to 600 degrees. Number 3. Tezzorio Professional Boar Bristle. For those times when only a small round pastry brush will do, this classic boar brush with a smooth hardwood handle is perfect. The boar bristles are water-resistant and can handle temperatures up to 500 degrees. The 9.75-inch handle is ergonomic and has a hole for easy hanging storage. This brush is hand wash only and best to use on baked goods. Number 2. GRILLHOGS Barbecue Basting Mop. This long-handled, mop-like brush holds thin sauces that other brushes can't manage. It's great for grilling and also works for making pastries. The 18-inch wooden handle protects you from heat while allowing for precision. The removable mop head can be put in a washing machine for easy cleaning. GRILLHOGS is a company with a focus on manufacturing chef-grade grilling accessories. Number 1. Pastry Brush Natural Bristle Wooden. The first natural bristle brush on our list will provide a worthy alternative to its synthetic counterparts. This long-bristled brush is capable of filling a niche of its own, and then some. While natural bristled brushes are not the option that everyone wants to go with, they are by no means any worse than the brushes that have synthetic bristles. This brush is proof of that. Made out of 100% natural boar hair and wood, it's really soft and will suit many types of tasks. Natural bristles such as the ones found in this brush are known to hold moist liquids very well. This allows you to properly spread the glazing all the way across your pastries with just a few quick strokes.